one of the tasks that I have on my list is to get this piece and remove some of the wooden sticks so I can have this net. And what I need it for is, like, you remember I was digging the dirt for the fireplace? So I realized that I have plenty of the stones in there, and I don't want to put those stones into my raised bed. So that's why I'll use this as a filter to get the topsoil apart from the stones, and I'll show you that. So I'll be trying to disassemble this piece, and the problem is that look at these nails. No, they're here so deep and they bend, so you know it will take some time to take it off. But I'll use the same method I showed you. I'm gonna use my crowbar, trying to, or maybe I'll try to, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get these nails straight first, like this, and then I'll be able to take it off. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it. Got it. I'll do it one by one. Alright, I did one side, now I'm doing the other side. Okay, and now the middle part. I hope I'll be able to just get it out just like this. Okay, first one is done, and the second one is done. Here we go, the third one, and the last one. Alright, yeah, I'll get rid of the nails, just not to step on them. And I'll use this. So here's how I'm gonna use it. I just put it here, and all the soil will be filtered with this. Nope, it's not working. The openings are too big, the holes are too big, so all the little stones are getting in. So I'll need to use something different. I finally got some piece of the hardware cloth, and here's what I did. So I'm gonna use this hardware cloth as a filter to separate the stones from over here and the topsoil. So the topsoil should go down and the stones should stay on the top. And this way, yeah, I'll separate it, and I'll use the stones separately and the topsoil for my raised bed. This is how I'm gonna separate the topsoil from the stones. So this is what I made. Some staples, some hardware clothes, and 2 wood pieces from the pallet. And now I'm just gonna use it. Just like that. So to separate the big stones from the small ones, I'll use this. It should have a purpose, right? So if I already made it, let's use it. And now the big ones go back to the raised bed. The small one come with me. I'm gonna do it like this. I improved my setup a little bit. If it works, it works.